Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will explain how to produce Java messages on the Kafka topic by using CMD commands and how to see the messages from the topics. So for producing the message, we need to run the Zookeepers and Kafka as well. So let's go to C drive for running the Zookeepers. So I'm going to Explorer here, going C drive. First, we are going to delete the log of the Zookeeper and Kafka as well. So, going to temp folder here, two folders will be appear. One is Kafka logs and second one is the Zookeeper. So, selecting those folders and deleting it. Now, going to C drive again and going Kafka folder. Here, our all the Kafka related configuration will available, just need to run commands here. So going to open cmd in this class path and running zookeeper. Running zookeeper, we need to go to win folder, windows folder. Now zookeeper server start dot byte file, and also going to add zookeeper property as well. Now entering it. Once zookeeper is up, then we need to start the kafka server. So let's wait until Zookeeper is not up. Once Zookeeper up, then we need to run Kafka. For, for Kafka setup, I have already explained in previous video. You can watch previous video. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will explain or resolve the issue. So now Zookeeper is up, going to run Kafka. So going to Kafka folder again, opening the CMD, another CMD command. Here going to Win drive, Win, Windows. Now Kafka server start.byte file, also adding the config server property. Entering it. Once Kafka is up, then we need to open another CMD command. In that command, we need to create a topic if any topic is not available. So let's wait until Kafka server is not up. Once Kafka server is up, then we need to open another cmd command for producing the messages. Let's open another cmd command. Going to C drive, Kafka folder cd, Kafka. Here, let's see the topic name, all the topic name. So there is a command win windows Kafka topic hyphen list topic list hyphen bootstrap. Bootstrap nothing but is a Kafka server URL. So going to add Kafka server localhost 9092. Entering it. Oh my bad. There is a spelling mistake. Bootstrap server. Entering it. There is no topics available. If any topic is there in the Kafka, so it will appear by using Kafka topics bat hyphen hyphen list hyphen hyphen bootstrap server and pass the bootstrap server URL. So you will see all the topics which is available in the Kafka. Right now there is no topics, so I'm going to creating a topic. Going win, sorry my bad. Going win folder, Windows folder. Here there is a command Kafka topic bat hyphen hyphen topic. Here is a command hyphen hyphen create hyphen hyphen topic and creating the topic name test topic and providing the bootstrap server. Here passing the bootstrap server URL localhost 9092 and replication fact partitions. We need to define partitions as well. So defining partition as a one because I I only set up only one Kafka. So that's why I'm setting up partitions one. Adding the replication factor is nothing but leaders and followers information. So replication factor 1. Entering it, I think there is some syntax issue, so that's why hyphen hyphen create topic name bootstrap server localhost 90 partitions 1 replication factor replication factor 1 bootstrap server partitions bootstrap server create topic. Yeah, now entering it. I hope it will work. Just wait. Yeah, it is created. In previous I have added hyphen hyphen and space and create. So that's why it is not taking the commands. Now I have removed the spaces and added the create. So let's see created topic list. So going to Windows Kafka topic hyphen hyphen list and here providing the bootstrap server local host 9092. These information I have already provided in the previous video. You can watch my previous video. Now topics has been created. You can see by using list. So I'm going to pass the messages in this topic. Let's open another CMD command which is our consumers for checking the messages which we will produce in one commands and you will see in another commands. So going to Kafka folder. Here let's go to previous command. Here let's producing the messages by using a command Kafka console producers topic and topic name. So going folder, Windows folder, Kafka messages, Kafka console consumer producer. Now going to define topic and here test topic bootstrap server bootstrap strip, sorry, we need to add hyphen hyphen bootstrap server localhost 9092. All these commands I will provide in the description. You can check in the description box. Entering it. Now we can pass the messages here. Let's let's go to another cmd commands which I have already opened it. So here there is a command going to win windows slash kafka console consumers hyphen hyphen topic and topic name. So let's my bad let's add the topic test topic test topic test topic. Now add now if we want to read the messages from the beginning, then add from beginning from beginning hyphen hyphen bootstrap server localhost 9092. Enter it. Once we will producing the messages from another commands, then you will see that messages in this consumer side. So going to producer commands here, typing hello, entering it, you can see in consumer side hello message will appear here. You can see here. Now I am going to typing in producer command just hello, how are you, how are you, question mark, entering it, you will see in consumer side these messages will appear. Now going to add I am fine and how about you, entering it, going to consumers command, you will see this message will appear. It is appearing here. I am fine and how about you? So in one commands I have producing the messages and another commands you can see the messages from the Kafka topic. These commands I will provide in the description. You can follow in the description box. In upcoming video, I will provide some more information. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel for the future updates. Thank you.